guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another makeup look. This time it is going to be on Tiffany Young's Teach You music video. It is going to be an inspired look based mainly the bridge part of the music video, where she has this rose champagne type of look, very femininely noir style. And if you guys saw my music video reaction to that, then you guys probably know what I'm talking about. I'm obsessed with that look, and I think it was her favorite look throughout the entire music video. And I saw a particular article from Allure, I think it was, on her music video talking about the different scenes, and particularly that one I did kind of follow, kind of taken into account an inspired look from that one, and also what she said on her YouTube channel and her interviews and things like that. And I have to say, it's one of my favorite looks that I've done. It's very glowy. I'm really in love with this look. I love very more natural pinky types of vibe looks. You guys, if you guys know me, then this is definitely up my alley. So if you guys want to find out how I did this Tiffany Young Teach You inspired makeup look, keep watching. Okay, starting off with moisturizer. I'm going to be using the Blanc and Eclare Serene Nourishing Moisturizer. I really like this one because it keeps my skin hydrated and moisturized without feeling too heavy. And then next I'm going to be going in with primer. I'm going to be using the Smashbox one. It's not my favorite one, gotta be honest, but it's the only one I had in hand. Next, going to be using YSL Cushion. This was an interesting cushion. Not gonna lie, I had only used this cushion a couple of times beforehand. So next I'm going to be using this brightener concealer type. Yeah, never gonna be using this one again. I remember I used to really like it, but now I don't know if it was just dried out or what, but it made my under eyes kind of a little bit dry, so that was a little concerning. So yeah, but I mean, I guess didn't really brighten up my face as much as I had hoped, but it got the job done anyways. Okay, next, the brows. Going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I think that's what it's called. I don't have it in front of me, but I really do like this product for my brows. It's the only one that I find that keeps them natural but fills them in, because I tend to get weird random holes in my eyebrows. I don't know why I get bald spots. Oh yeah, and right here it broke. Yeah, which is really weird because this was brand new, and I can tell you right now I was using it really gently. Oh well, story of my life, I guess. So next, going to be priming the eyes with the Thank Me Later primer by Elizabeth Mott. I really like this primer. Helps keeps my eyeshadow in place, and you know, all that good stuff. So next I'm going to be going in with the Tartelette Toasted palette. I'm just going to be using that color, which is pretty much the base. I'm just going to spread that all over my entire eyelid, make sure it's just evenly on there. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with this baby pink shadow, and I'm also going to be putting that all over my lid. I don't know the name of it, so sorry. Going into my Naked 3 palette, I'm going to be combining two colors together, and I'm going to use that as a crease color. This whole entire look is very pink. So next I'm going to be using the Moonshot Jelly Pot, and it looks orange on screen, but it's not. This was the only thing that I could find that was the closest thing to glitter, because she did use glitter in her video. So next, just gonna be curling my lashes and mascara. That's pretty self-explanatory. Next up, blush. Yay! Sweet Peach Glow is the one that I'm going to be using. It is a palette, or I did use the blush part of it, and then for highlight I did use the Fenty Beauty highlight, and then for lips I used the Peri Para ink. I can't remember what number, but I think it's the Peach Coral. That was the closest one that I could find to her lip color. And now that we're done with this look, let's cue into the awkward montage of awkward close-ups. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun doing it. Some of the products I hadn't used in a very long time. Some of them I hadn't used at all, and they were a little difficult. But overall, I'm really, really happy with this look. It's very fresh. It's very glowy and pink, which I really, really love. My favorite color. Let me know if you guys have also tried this look, tried to recreate it, or got inspired by it, or any of the other looks that she did in her music video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!